Leaking when you sneeze is not because your vaginal walls are weak. When you sneeze, the pressure inside your abdomen rises suddenly, and in a healthy body, this pressure shall be absorbed by your elastic pelvic floor muscles. Just imagine it's a hammock. So you're dropping down the pressure and this hammock is pushing it up gently and softly. But over time, after pregnancy, stress, hormonal changes, and years of linear training, your hammock loses its spring. The connective tissues and ligaments around your pelvic floor becomes overstretched, and your vaginal balls won't help you, because this is not the problem of the strength. This is the problem of coordination and elasticity. So let's try to do simple move. You're going down softly and then you're going up. You're turning your heels in and stretching your arms up, feeling like all the tissues from the pelvic floor are going up to your belly button. And then inhale, exhale, feel this nice tension. And you need to feel this tension along your shins, along your thighs, inside your abdomen, and along your arms. Do this motion 1 minute, 2-3 sets, and throw away your balls.